What's poppin', Night Riders? So, I've been doing requested videos all day, so I am doing a video that I want to react to that is not a request. This is something that I ended up seeing on my Facebook page, and I just thought it was interesting. It is called Living with Jigsaw. And, what does the rest of that say? By Handlebar Mustache Land. That's a very, very interesting name. But yeah, so I decided I wanted to check this out because I loved Jigsaw. I loved the Saw movies. I thought that entire series was crazy. Some crazier than others. But to me, nothing beats the first one, where you're just thinking you're watching a typical thriller movie and you thought the bad guy was dead, to find out that the true bad guy was laying in the fucking room the entire movie. I can't even express to you guys my reaction once this dude popped up off the floor and you found out that he was really there. To all my Night Riders that have seen Saw, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Anyway, let's get this reaction on. This is Living with the Jigsaw. Let's go. I couldn't have that donut. Nope.
Not as cool as I thought it would be. I want to play a game. Okay, well, I want to take a shower. The toilet has been clogged with 2 ply paper towels and dirty socks. If you do not fix it in the next 27 seconds, it will overflow, covering your personal electronic devices in filthy toilet water. To reach them, you must walk barefoot across a floor covered in razor blades.
Oh, that's so fucked up.
Gary, make your choice. The line in both your glasses has been replaced with the blood of a 3-toed sloth. What do you want? Like, what? You are completely surrounded by armed mousetraps.
Nah, Jigsaw would have to go.
The keys to your car have been force-fed to Bingo. You must retrieve them in the next 5 minutes using any weapon of your choosing from this open drawer, or you will not make it to the office on time. The choice is yours, Gary. Will you take the life of your best friend, or be late to work for the 4th time this week?
That's so fucked up.
You've had it with parenting, but wait, there is a solution. Introducing Nap Time, the latest, most effective tool for child tantrum prevention. It's simple. Just douse a rag with our patented Sleepy Time formula. Place it over your child's crying. Press and hold gently for 8 to 12 seconds, and presto, no more tantrum.
What? Wait, time out, hold everything. First off, we not just gonna act like that didn't just happen at the ending of that video. First off, was that lady really about to put the baby in the disposer? The I can't even think of what that shit is called. She was... Okay, put that to the side. Then you're gonna put the baby out because it's having a tantrum by pretty much the same shit that people get kidnapped with. Okay, all right. I just wanted to make sure that I saw that correctly. All right. So, Night Riders, definitely post your comments down below. Let me know what you're thinking about Living with Jigsaw. Oh man, I'm gonna tell you right now, Jigsaw would have had to go. All right, I would have tried to either flush him down the toilet. He'd have went in the sink dispenser. I'd have put him in the wash machine. I'd have kept it on rinse cycle. I'd have put him in the dry. Like, Jigsaw would have had to go. Okay, he would have had to go. Somehow, some way, I would have made it to the middle of the ocean, and I'd have dropped his ass in there. All right, so I want to know what y'all would have did if y'all was living with Jigsaw and he did that shit. First, let me know what you thought of the video. Then, let me know what you would have done if you lived with Jigsaw and he did that shit. Alright? So, this is your first time checking out the channel. Please, join me and my fellow Night Riders as we strive for 500 by hitting the little red box down below that says subscribe on it. Because we are almost at that stepping stone and I can't wait to get there. Fellow Night Riders, continue doing what you're doing as you like, comment, and share. Also, down below in the description box are links to my social networks. So if you have a requested video that you want me to react to, that is the best way to do it. Alright, y'all? Till next time. Ride or die, Night Riders. We out.